This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As a follow-up to a video I did yesterday, as far as Bitcoin is concerned, the link for the previous video is going to be in the description of the video. So this is a follow-up video. Check out that video. Maybe check out that video first before you check out this video so it can make sense. But as a follow-up, we can see here Bitcoin is almost unchanged for the day. And I want to show you the two charts that I was highlighting in the previous video. Let's go to the daily. I was talking about this line coming in play. On the daily, either we are going to get movement above this line to begin a swing trade higher, or we are going to get resistance on the line and we start drifting lower. And if you take a look at the 4-hourly, again, which I discussed in the previous video, we can see that the level of the RSI that I was discussing in the previous video is again coming in play. We've been struggling when we try and move above this line. We can see over the last 4 hours, 2 hours or so, this has become resistance. So if you're a short-term trader, and you can see now there's also this topside resistance line showing that the stock has, or the crypto, Bitcoin that is, has come and hit this topside resistance line. It does suggest, again, based on the daily RSI level and the 4-hourly, which we are seeing here, these two lines are suggesting best way to approach this is to anticipate short-term movement to the downside. And until we can see Bitcoin clear these two lines to the upside, chances are more than likely on a short-term basis, for those of you who are trading the day-to-day intraday action, odds are looking like they are pointing for movement lower. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. And again, the previous video is going to be in the description of this video. I am out. Mwah.